Let's see how Modify Control CurrentIndex property works. Select the swiper first page. Select the button on the first page. Press Add Event and add event to the button. Press on Press to add it. Press on Press Event to add functions. Select the Modify Control. Enter the page number where you want to redirect. Page numbers should be taken from the current swiper. Select the swiper element from the element list. Go for Controls to find the swiper element. Select the swiper element. In the Properties section, select the Current Index property. Select the swiper element again to change the current page. Go for Data tab. Select the next page from Control Views. Select the button on the current page to add functions. Go for Functions tab. Press Add Event to add the event to the button. Add the on-press event. Press on Press Event to add functions. Go for Controls section and select the Modify Control function. Enter the page number in the Data field. Select the current swiper element from the controls. Change the element property to Current Index. Now you are done. Pages will be changed when the buttons are pressed.